Your Acura lease is coming to an end. You probably have some questions about the excessive wear and use or damage waiver included in your lease agreement. Understandable. You're probably thinking, what's considered excessive? What's that going to cost me? We're here to help you get answers to all of your questions. And don't worry, the excessive wear and use or damage waiver is there for your protection. The waiver is meant to cover the normal wear that comes from everyday driving, up to $750. After all, we know you didn't lease an Acura to park it in your garage. You drove it. How do you know if your Acura's condition amounts to excessive wear and use or damage? The best way to find out is to get it inspected prior to turning it in at lease-end. The inspection will tell you if any repairs are needed and what they'll cost. Schedule a free vehicle inspection with the SGS Customer Service Center a couple months before your vehicle lease expires by calling 1-800-340-4080 during business hours or visit schedule.sgsauto.com. The vehicle inspector will be looking for excessive wear and use or damage on your vehicle. We created the vehicle inspection video that outlines everything you need to know about this process. The definition of excessive wear and use includes, but is not limited to, any mechanical defect or failure, broken or missing parts or accessories, including missing keys or remote entry devices, damaged body, fenders, bumpers, metalwork, lights or trim, or damaged or broken glass and paint which is chipped, interior rips, stains, burns, or excessively worn areas, missing or unsafe wheels or tires, and tires with less than 1/8 inch of tread remaining, damage or any other condition that makes the vehicle unsafe or unlawful to operate, and safety and emission equipment not in proper working order. Once you have the inspection report, you can decide if you'd like to get the repairs made before turning in your vehicle, or if you'd like to simply turn it in and let us make the repairs. You'll be responsible for the costs of the repairs beyond the $750 waiver amount. Prior to making any repairs, contact a lease-end specialist at our Lease Maturity Center at 866-777-6495 and discuss which damage incidents are covered under the waiver policy. If you are leasing or purchasing a new Acura or Honda, we have great news. You may qualify for loyalty benefits, including an additional $750 excessive wear and use or damage waiver and waiver of your leased vehicle turn-in fee. Those are two great reasons to lease another Acura or Honda. You must take advantage of this offer within 30 days, before or after your vehicle return date. The total amount waived for excessive wear and use or damage will not exceed $1,500. For more information on turn-in fees, please refer to your lease contract. To learn more about all of your lease-end options, see our library of videos and discover more at acurafinancialservices.com/leasing/end of lease.